The flagship high school of the city believes that education cannot wait. Hence, we did not, could not, and will not remain static in this time of pandemic.
Hello everyone, welcome to Talisay City National High School. I am Mr. Jeffrey Ciplero, the school principal. Today, we are going to present to you our distance learning simulation and retrieval.
Here's our story. As the contagion began to creep into the tail end of the school year 2019-2020, doubts and worries about the next school year started to boggle the mind of the Department of Education, as this has never happened before. Lo and behold, the LCP was conceptualized, which breathed the needed assuring and guiding air and diffused the many confusions about the provision of the right to quality basic education, which ought to be unimpeded. Yet the new normal situation dictates desperate but necessary measures in order to hurdle the challenges, and Talisay City National High School rose up to the challenges and complied with what had to be done. Had it not for the pandemic, the teachers, learners, parents, stakeholders would have scoured the country searching for the best spot to beat the heat of the summer sun. But not this May. Instead, all the cooperating hands of the unselfish and devoted teachers and master teachers under the auspices of Mr. Jeffrey Ciplero.
Hi ma'am, kami na yung mga teachers sa Talisay City National High School. Kaya maghatag yung module sa inyong anak. Ano sa may gato sa inyong anak? Grade 10, sir. Grade 10.
Scoured every page, even down to the minutest of details of the sample self-learning module, shown in the series of the module-making webinars, just for each to come up with his and her own based on the MODALITIES. All for the learners, they say, and just as the great Garrison Keillor once said, nothing you do for children is ever wasted. Staying up late just to make the module complete was no easy peasy lemon squeezy. It was just the beginning of a bigger task at hand. June provided the real test to the module makers. Ready and available modules are transformed into different formats such as ebook, FB format, and video lectures. Certain teachers were assigned to each format and complied with submission of the expected output. Hence, FB chat groups are made to accommodate learners who have access to the internet and study the lessons with the other modalities offered.
Hi, welcome to my class. I'm Dr. Bobby Cabama, and I am your teacher for oral communication. In our class, we will be using an FB page. Please check the link below.
Oh, so this is our oral module. Okay, alright, I see. Alright, so our teacher just sent us this module that we're supposed to review and have an answer, so let's go open it up. So it takes us to the table of contents. Of course, for every module you have to start with the beginning. So go back to the nature of elements. Alright, so you're just gonna read stuff here, some things to note about. Something I did not know this was the blue text. The blue text will show you even more context of what the definition is. Let's hear you. For example, that's verbal. This is non-verbal. Alright, next we go down. There's also included files of audio files. So
The process of communication starts with the speaker generating the idea first. Next, the speaker encodes an idea or converts the idea.
As you can see, it all works. Alright. There's also this picture chart below. You can click the links here to see if.
Hello everyone and welcome to Learn with Naomi. In today's lesson video, we are going to talk about the first English learning competency for grade 9 students. So if you are a grade 9 student, stay tuned, have your pen and paper ready, and learn with me today, Teacher Naomi.
Kung dunaray usa kapamilya, ang angayan natong itawag kay elemento, apan kung daghana nga pamilya, ang angayan natong itawag kung paunamigo. Mga elemento dunay kinaiya nga matawag nato kini nga iyaha kung pauna ka na siya amigo. Kung dunaray usa kapamilya, ang angayan natong itawag kay elemento, apan kung daghana nga pamilya, ang angayan natong itawag kung paunamigo.
Ideal in studying phenomenon which must contend with the problems of measurement. What are the characteristics of quantitative research? 1. It is reliable. 2. Objective. 3. It uses statistics. 4. We test theories or hypotheses. Then the sample is the representative.
Used in homes and sometimes in school. This is called domestic sewing machine. Ito, nakasabot ka?
Oo, ma.
Anta, mag-spelling ta. Number 1. This what? Machine. 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 Mana. Number 2. Lock
Parents were encouraged to guide their kids in learning the lessons and communicate with a teacher advisor should there be questions. Retrieval followed the stringent and careful process of returning the modules to the pickup points where they were disinfected before learners' work were inspected. Talisay City National High School is a believer that complaints, issues, and concerns raised is an opportunity afforded by any stakeholders, may they be the learners, the parents, or anyone in the surrounding community, to the school to further improve its services. Thus, the feedback collection scheme is established. They came in forms of comments and suggestions posted on the official Facebook page of the school and that of the physical feedback collection box. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how the cookie crumbles. Talisay City National High School's ways of providing safe, quality basic education to all the citizens of this revered nation. Sulong edukalidad, handa isip, handa bukas. Education cannot wait. And so can't we. Rest assured that Talisay City National High School is 100% ready. Our heartfelt gratitude extends to our young and supportive Mayor, Honorable Gerald Anthony Samsam Gulyas, our division's ever-ready mother and father of all seasons and including this contagion, Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Evangelo Menarias and Dr. Faustino Torajo, CID and SGOD Chiefs Dr. Maria Lourdes Ipong and Miss Rosario Joko, and the rest of the division personnel. We cannot thank you enough for your assistance. Abante Talisay! Abante Talisay City National High School!